This is your brain. And this is your brain after Tai Chi. Did you know that Tai Chi doesn't just improve your balance and flexibility? It can actually make your brain stronger. Today, we are exploring how Tai Chi increases neurological strength and why this ancient practice is one of the most powerful tools for your brain health. Let's go ahead and start with some scientific evidence. Tai Chi enhances something called brain functional network plasticity. This means your brain becomes better at organizing and processing information. Practicing Tai Chi improves how brain regions talk to each other, especially those involved in attention, memory, and sensory perception. This leads to a greater cognitive flexibility and neurological resilience. Research shows Tai Chi can actually reshape the brain. It's been linked to increased cortical thickness, which is associated with better memory, sharper motor skills, and reduced risk of cognitive decline as we age. Tai Chi also improves nerve signaling. That means it helps messages travel faster and more efficiently between your brain and your body. This is especially helpful for people with neurological conditions. Finally, Tai Chi has been shown to boost executive function, attention, and memory. This is likely because of its unique blend of mental focus, physical movement, and breath control, which all train the brain. What exactly makes Tai Chi so neurological powerful? First, the movements are slow and deliberate. This forces your body and brain to work together in a highly coordinated way. Second, Tai Chi is meditative. You're constantly focusing on posture, breath, and inner awareness. This builds mindfulness and strengthens cognitive control. Third, deep breathing. It calms the nervous system, improves oxygen flow, and reduces mental stress. Fourth, Tai Chi reintegrates the whole body. It wakens up the muscles in the hips, legs, and back, while also reactivating the mind-body connection. And finally, there are advanced forms of Tai Chi that add in mental challenges, like moving while solving problems, speaking, or listening. These versions give your brain a full workout. Whether you're looking to stay in shape, improve coordination, or simply feel more connected, Tai Chi offers a gentle but powerful way to build neurological strength at any age. If you were ever wondering if Tai Chi is for you, this may be the information you needed. Give it a try. I promise. Your brain will thank you.